The BSc Economics program at University of Southampton Delhi is grounded in a simple but powerful idea. Economics is not about abstract theory disconnected from the real world, but it is about understanding the decisions that shape our societies, from financial markets to poverty to inequality to how institutions work. What makes us distinctive is our integration of global economic thinking with rigorous quantitative training and immediate practical relevance. Our graduates will not just understand economics, they will be able to apply it to real-world situations.
From the first semester, students are working with real data and real policy dilemmas. They are not just learning about markets and institutions, they are analyzing how they actually function. What makes this program different is how we challenge the assumptions underlying traditional theory. We teach behavioral economics, showing students that people don't always behave rationally, that context and psychology matters. We use experimental methods and randomized controlled trials to test economic theories in real settings. Students don't just read about how incentives shape behavior, they design experiments to see it happen.
The quantitative spine of this program is uncompromising. We bridge mathematics and statistics with real economic decision-making, optimization, growth models, mathematics that powers modern finance. Students learn how to move from raw data to genuine insight. Most importantly, we introduce statistical programming early. Students don't just learn econometrics, they do it, they code, they model. This creates a direct pathway into data science, finance, and policy analytics. It's the foundation that opens doors.
Our financial laboratory is equipped with Bloomberg and Refinitiv Terminals, the same platforms used by investment banks and asset managers worldwide. Here, students gain hands-on experience with real-time market data, financial modeling, and professional-grade analytical tools. This is the industry standard.
What surprised me most was how quickly the theory clicked when we worked with real data. In my first semester, we weren't just learning demand curves and equations, we were analyzing actual policy decisions and their effects. The faculty here genuinely want you to understand and not just pass. You can see that they're very invested in your learning, and that makes all the difference.
The skills I've gained go far beyond what's in the textbook. Working with Bloomberg, coding in R, discussing research papers in class. These are things that will give me a solid edge when it comes to employability. And the classroom interaction is intense in the best way. You're constantly challenged to defend your ideas, to think critically. The faculty push you, but they support you. That balance is rare.
When I first arrived, I thought economics was all about memorizing models, but this program taught me differently. Through experiments, real data, and questioning assumptions about the human behavior, I'm actually learning how to see economics as a lens for understanding the world. And of course, being part of this community at Southampton Delhi means faculty who will mentor you beyond the classroom, and classmates who push your thinking. It's also a community where you realize economics is not abstract, it's actually relevant and it matters. I'm so glad that I decided to join the BSc Economics program here, because it didn't just teach me how to think differently, I'm also learning that economics is how you actually change things in the real world.